So good morning students. Children, today we will start a new chapter, that is lesson number 12, the cart driver. Okay, so children, open page number 105 in your book. So in this play there were three people. One is cart driver, one is traveler 1 and one is traveler 2. Okay, so we will start the chapter. So here are some summary it is given here. A cart driver is sitting in the middle of the road. He is weeping. So children, one cart driver was there and he was sitting in the middle of the road. He was sitting in the middle of the road, the beach sadak mein. Okay, and he is weeping. He is crying. Okay, he is crying. There is a bullock cart next to him. Okay, the bullock means male cow. Okay, so he was crying, he is crying, and there is a bullock cart next to him. He is having a bullock cart. There are many big bundles on it. Means there are many big bundles. You can say bora. Okay, there are many big bundles on the cart, bullock cart. The cart is stuck in the mud. Now children, the cart is stuck मतलब फंस गया है. जो cart जो उसका था वो मिट्टी में फंस गया है. Then two travelers are walking towards the cart. So two travelers were passing there. Okay, दो travelers वहाँ से पास हो रहे थे. Now first car driver, oh God, please help me. So car driver said, oh God, please help me. Means कोई मेरी मदद करो, मेरी भगवान मेरी मदद कर दो. Traveler 1, is anything wrong? So one man was there, is traveler 1. So he said, when he heard, then he said that anything problem is there, is anything wrong? Then cart driver, my cart is stuck, the back wheels have gone deep into the mud and the bullocks cannot pull the cart out. So the car driver replied that yes, my cart is stuck. मतलब मेरा जो cart है वो फंस गया है. And the wheels have gone deep into the मतलब जो wheels है वो मिट्टी के अंदर फंस गए हैं, मिट्टी के अंदर दब गया है जो उसका चक्का है. And the bullocks cannot pull the cart. और जो bullocks है वो मतलब जो cart को खींच नहीं पा रहे क्योंकि वो मिट्टी में फंस गया है. Traveler 2, didn't you try to get the cart out? Now traveler 2 said that you have not tried. मतलब आप तुमने ट्राई नहीं किया था कि कार्ट बाहर आ जाए. कार्ट ड्राइवर, what can I do? The wheels are stuck fast. Okay, so car driver said that I have tried, but what can I do? मतलब मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ. जो wheels जो है उसको फंस गया. Stuck fast means be so deep in the mud that it cannot be pulled out. मतलब इतना ज़्यादा मिट्टी में फंस गया है कि वो बाहर नहीं निकल पा रहा. Now traveler 1, then let us try together. Okay, now traveler 1 said that okay, let us try together. मतलब हम लोग साथ में try करते हैं. First, let us untie your bullocks. Untie means free the bullocks from the cart. मतलब उसको bullocks को खोल दो. Let us untie the bullocks. They must be tired. Means the bullocks are very tired. So please untie the bullocks. Let them rest, eat and drink. मतलब जो bullocks को रेस्ट के लिए, खाने के लिए और पीने के लिए उसको भी छोड़ दो, उसको निकाल दो ताकि वो रेस्ट कर ले, वो आराम कर ले. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट पे 106. कार ड्राइवर एंग्रीली, वेयर विल आई फाइंड द वाटर एंड ग्रास फॉर देम. नाउ when he heard, means when car driver was heard, that he got angry. So he said that where will I find the grass and the water for them. मतलब कहाँ से मैं उनके लिए ग्रास और वाटर लेकर आऊँ. Traveler 2 smiles. Don't worry, the bullocks will find a pool themselves and they can munch the grass on the roadside. Munch means eat noisily. Okay, मतलब चबाना, eat noisily. So traveler 2 said he smiled. Okay, so don't worry, they will find themselves. They will find means grass and water by themselves only. Okay, so he said that they can munch the grass. मतलब जो घास है वो रोड साइड में, रोड के साइड में वो घास को खा सकते हैं. they can munch the grass on the road side. The cart driver unties the bullocks from the cart. The animals wander off looking for food and water. So children, the cart driver means he unties the bullocks from the cart. Okay, then wander off means walk slowly around the place without knowing exactly where to go. मतलब कि मतलब वो ऐसे इधर उधर घूम रहे थे, मतलब उनको नहीं पता था कहाँ जाना, वो धीरे धीरे वो अपने निकलने लगे. दे वॉक स्लोली. ओके, सो द कार ड्राइवर अनटाइज द बुलक्स. नाउ कार ड्राइवर, नाउ हाउ विल आई पुल द कार्ट आउट? हु विल पुल इट फॉरवर्ड? फॉरवर्ड मीन्स टू द फ्रंट. नाउ कार ड्राइवर सेड दैट नाउ हाउ विल आई पुल द कार्ट, मतलब कैसे मैं कार्ट को बाहर निकालूँ. देन who will forward, who will pull it for means who will go in front and who will put means who will forward the cart out. Then traveler 1, we all will means हम सब एक साथ करेंगे. Then traveler 2, yes, let us remove all the bundles from the cart. So children, he said that first we will remove all the bundles from the cart, मतलब जितने भी सारे बोरे हैं वो सब चीज़ हम लोग पहले बाहर उतारेंगे इसको. Then car driver shocked, remove all the bundles. So he was means car driver was very shocked that how we will remove all those. So he replied that means all the bundles we have to remove. So traveler 2, yes, that will make the cart light. We will put the bundles on the roadside. So traveler 2 said that yes, first we will remove all the means all the bundles, then it will make the cart light, मतलब को कार्ट को और हल्का कर देगा, मतलब जो बैलगाड़ी है उसको हल्का कर देगा. Then we will put all the bundles on the road side means we will together we will put all the bundles means road side, मतलब सड़क पे रख देंगे. Then car driver, but that is a lot of work means the car driver said that मतलब ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा काम हो जाएगा, it is a lot of work. Then traveler 1, we cannot do anything without hard work, come on. So traveler 1 said that without hard work we cannot do anything, मतलब बिना मेहनत किए हम लोग कोई भी काम नहीं कर सकते, तो चलो, come on. The car driver and the 2 travelers remove the bundles one by one. After half an hour the cart is empty. So the car drivers and the 2 travelers means one by one they remove all the bundles. Then after half an hour मतलब आधे घंटे के बाद वो कार्ट जो था वो बैलगाड़ी थी वो एकदम खाली हो गया. Then traveler 1, look, the bullocks are back, they look fresh, don't they? So traveler 1 said, देखो bullocks जो बैल हैं वो वापस आ गए. The bullocks are back. So they are looking very fresh, मतलब they look fresh मतलब वो fresh लग रहे हैं. Then traveler 2, now let us yoke them to the car means it is written here, tie a special piece of wood around the neck or on the shoulders of 2 animals so they can walk together. तो जो बैल के वो बैलगाड़ी को जो लोग की जो मोटी सी लकड़ी होती है उनके गर्दन में फंसाया जाता है, ठीक है, उसके बाद ही वो चलता है. तो सो दे रिप्लाई डैट मीन्स लेट अस योक देम टू द कार, मतलब जो डंडा है उसमें वो मतलब एनिमल्स के उसे कंधे में रख के फिर कार्ट को फंसाएंगे, तो हम लोग साथ में उसके बाद खींचेंगे. द कार ड्राइवर योक्स द बुलक्स टू द एम्प्टी कार्ट. ट्रैवलर 1, नाउ लेट्स push the wheels and the cart from behind. Tell your bullocks to pull hard. Now traveler 1 said, now push the wheels means let's push the wheels and the cart from behind, मतलब तुम लोग पीछे से मतलब वो कार्ट को ढकेलो, ठीक है. Tell your bullocks to pull hard. Tell your bullocks मतलब बैल को और उस लोग खींचो, मतलब खींचने की कोशिश करो. ड्राइवर, कार ड्राइवर, हे pull well भोला, pull well रांझा. So car driver said to means two bullocks name was there. One name one is Bhola and one is Ranja. मतलब दोनों बुलक के नाम थे, एक भोला था एक रांझा था. तो he said to the bullock, हे pull भोला pull रांझा, मतलब हे pull मतलब खींचो भोला खींचो रांझा. On next page, the men give a great push and the bullocks pull hard. So the men give a great push and the bullocks pull hard. Soon the wheels are out of the mud. उसके बाद जो बुलक्स थे मतलब वो आगे से बैल खींच रहे थे और आप पीछे से तीनों मीन्स कार ड्राइवर एंड ट्रैवलर 1 एंड ट्रैवलर 2 they were pushing there. Okay, after that they pull hard so the wheels are out of the mud. Traveler 2, look, your bullocks are running off with the cart. Means traveler 2 said to the car driver, see your bullocks, they are running off with the cart. Car driver laughs, wait. So car driver said, मतलब वो इतना तेज खींचे कि वो चलने लगे थे. So the car driver he was laughing and said, wait, मतलब रुको. The car driver holds the bullock in their place gently. So after that the car driver means gently he hold the bullocks, मतलब अपने bullocks को धीरे से मतलब पकड़ा उनको और उनको किनारे खड़ा किया. Traveler 1, now let us load your cart again. Load means put something on a vehicle to send it somewhere. Means all the bundles were there na. फिर after that they were putting means all the bundles in the cart. So let us load your cart load your cart again. मतलब जितने भी सारे जो बोरे थे फिर से वापस उसमें कार्ट में रखते हैं. Then the cart driver and the two travelers put the bundles back into the cart one by one. After half an hour the cart is full again. Means after that the car driver and the two travelers means all the bundles they put back into the cart and one by one एक के बाद एक सारे bundles रखते गए. Then after half an hour the cart is full again. मतलब आधे घंटे के बाद फिर से वो जो bundles से वापस cart में रखे वो भर गए. Traveler car driver, happy? Thank you very much. What can I do for you in return for all your help? In return for means to thank someone for doing something. मतलब मैं क्या कर. He said, he replied, thank you very much means thank you. मतलब मैं तुम्हारे वापस में तुमने जो मेरी हेल्प की मैं उसको वापस में तुम्हें क्या दूँ. What कहने में किस तरह से मैं तुम्हें हेल्प करूँ. In return for. Traveler 2, just remember this. If we work hard and we work together, we can do a difficult task easily. Means work. So traveler 2 said that remember one thing, if we work hard, okay, अगर कोई भी काम हम करेंगे and if we will work together, if we work hard and we will work together, then we can do a difficult task easily. मतलब अगर हम साथ में करेंगे, ठीक है, अगर हम साथ में करेंगे और मेहनत से साथ करेंगे तो कोई भी काम बहुत easily हो सकता है. We can do any work easily, okay, we can do any difficult task easily, okay. So children, here we have completed the explanation of the car driver. I hope children you all have understood the chapter. Now children, do one thing, that just do reading of this chapter, okay. Now next time I will send the exercises of this chapter, okay. So thank you everyone, bye and take care.